That waterfall pouring off your roof? That's not supposed to happen. Clogged gutters turn every rainstorm into a disaster waiting to happen, with rotting wood, cracked foundations, and flooded basements. Today we're showing you simple cleaning hacks and upgrades that keep water where it belongs, far away from your house. Believe it or not, gutters aren't just there for show. They guide water away from your foundation and your siding. When they stop flowing, the problems begin. Water can sneak behind siding, and in the colder months, water can freeze and create ice dams that really hurt the roof. Here are common signs that your gutters are wearing out. Cracks or rust spots are forming, paint that keeps peeling near the gutter line, gutters that sag or pull away from the home, water pooling near the foundation after a storm, persistent clogs even shortly after a cleaning. If you're seeing several of these, it may be time for a new system rather than just another cleaning. Most people think clogged gutters only happen in the fall. The truth is that debris builds up all year. Small twigs, pollen, and roof granules all settle in there. The secret trick is to clean them before the problem is visible. A clean gutter looks boring, which is exactly what you want. A boring gutter is a healthy gutter. Gutter guards add a layer of protection by keeping out leaves and small debris while allowing rainwater to pass through. They come in several styles. Our first option is screen guards. These are simple metal or plastic screens that sit over the gutter. They block big things like leaves and twigs, but smaller debris can still slip through. They are the starter pack of gutter protection. Next, we have micro mesh guards. These use a very fine mesh that filters out almost everything, including pine needles and roof grit. They give the most consistent long-term performance, but usually cost more. And finally, we have surface tension covers. Water follows the curved shape of the gutter and slides into the gutter while larger debris falls off the edge. They work best on certain roof pitches, but can struggle in heavy downpours if the angle is not quite right. A full gutter replacement for an average home can range from $2,000 to $6,000, depending on material and home size. Gutter guards vary. Some basic versions cost only a few dollars per foot. Professionally installed micro mesh systems can run closer to $10 or $12 per foot. The cost depends on the product and the amount of gutter around your home. The goal is to protect your home long term, not overspend. A good contractor can help you decide what fits your budget and your property. Gutters protect your home in ways you may never see. When they work right, your foundation stays dry, your siding stays clean, and your roof has less stress. With a little cleaning and maybe a guard system, you can avoid expensive repairs and keep your home in great shape for years. And if anything looks off, reach out to a trusted roofing professional near you. You can trust us with a free roof inspection when you head to our website and fill out our no-hassle online form. Next stop, a better roof.